The 2011 Subaru Forester. Subaru has just released the official details on the new 2011 Forester. The Japanese automaker has placed a 2.5-liter boxer 4-cylinder motor in the vehicle's engine compartment. There will also be a turbocharged 2.5-liter 4-cylinder in the performance-oriented XT. While we're on the XT topic, Subaru has announced that the XT will be available in two trim levels, the Premium and the Touring. The Touring trim, which will replace the Limited at the top of the line, will offer buyers self-adjusting HID headlights, dual-zone climate controls, and a backup camera. If you can't afford the top-of-the-line Touring model, don't fret, as Subaru has equipped the basic models with more goodies than ever before. The Forester will come standard with Bluetooth and a one-touch up-down driver's window. Bump it up to the 2.5X Premium and the 2.5XT Premium and you will get a new audio system with 6 speakers, a USB and AUX jacks, iPod integration, and satellite radio capability. Hit the jump for the full list of specifications. Press release. Subaru What's New for 2011. Forester. All new engine for Forester 2.5X models. Turbocharged 2.5XT retains current engine, new bore, stroke dimensions with slightly longer stroke, displacement slightly larger 2498 cc versus 2457 cc, chain-driven double overhead cam versus belt-driven single overhead cam before, 170 horsepower as same as before, at slightly lower RPM, torque is up to 174 lb-ft. At 4,100 revolutions per minute versus 170 at 4,400 revolutions per minute, fuel economy is improved. 2011 manual and automatic transmissions, 21 mpg city, 27 mpg highway versus 2010 and 2027 for manual and 2026 for automatic. New 2.5X Touring positioned above Limited, features HID headlights, low beam with automatic height adjustment, display audio system with backup camera, dual-zone automatic climate control, silver finish roof rails, electroluminescent gauges, and side mirrors with integrated turn signals. 2.5XT models now include 2.5XT Premium and 2.5XT Touring, the latter replacing 2.5XT Limited as top Forester model. 2.5XT Premium gets new 10-way power driver's seat. Bluetooth standard on all but base model. Backup camera standard on 2.5X Touring and 2.5XT Touring as part of new audio system. New standard audio system for 2.5X Premium and 2.5XT Premium, AM, FM stereo with single-disc CD player and 6 speakers, 3.5mm auxiliary input jack, Bluetooth hands-free calling and audio streaming, iPod control capability, USB port and Sirius satellite radio capability. New optional TomTom navigation system for 2.5X Premium includes removable 4.3-inch touchscreen portable navigation device, AM, FM stereo with single-disc CD, DVD player and 6 speakers, 3.5mm auxiliary input jack, Bluetooth hands-free calling, iPod control capability and USB port. Also, a backup camera is available as an accessory with this system. New audio system with rear camera for 2.5X Limited and Touring and 2.5XT Touring models, AM, FM stereo with single-disc CD, DVD player and 6 speakers, 4.3-inch display screen, radio broadcast data system, 3.5mm auxiliary input jack, Bluetooth hands-free calling and audio streaming, iPod control capability, USB port and Sirius satellite radio capability. The backup camera is standard on 2.5X Touring and 2.5XT Touring and available as an accessory for 2.5X Limited. Driver's auto up-down window with pinch protection except base model. New 17-inch alloy wheel design for 2.5X Premium. New body color roof spoiler on 2.5XT models.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.